Hello everybody! Here I will show you how to use Zapier with Excel. If you've ever found yourself bogged down by repetitive tasks, wishing there was an easier way to manage and automate your workflow, then you're in the right place. By integrating Zapier with Excel, you can streamline processes and enhance your productivity, making your work life much more efficient. Whether you're looking to automate data entry, trigger notifications, or connect Excel with other apps, this powerful integration will come to your rescue. In this tutorial, brought to you by PMN Online, we'll guide you through setting up this integration in a few comprehensive steps, ensuring you make the most out of your tools. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide on how to seamlessly connect Zapier with Excel and automate your workflow. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Zapier website and log in. Now, if you're new to Zapier, don't worry. Creating an account is straightforward, and if you already have one, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now, what exactly is Zapier? Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your apps and services, allowing them to work together without you lifting a finger. It's like having a personal assistant that handles the mundane tasks for you. Once you're logged into Zapier, the next step is to create a Zap. Think of a Zap as a bridge between apps that automates a workflow. To get started, click on Create in the top menu and select Zaps from the drop-down list. Zapier's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can still create a Zap with ease. You have the option to craft your Zap manually, or if you're new to this, you can let Zapier's AI lend a helping hand. For today's walkthrough, we're going to do it manually, giving you full control over every detail of the customization process. Now let's define the trigger for your Zap. The trigger is the event that sets your automation in motion. Click under the Trigger section to reveal a list of applications available for you to choose from. Since our focus today is on Excel, select Excel as your application. The trigger event we'll use in this example is New Row. What this means is whenever a new row is added to your Excel spreadsheet, this event will trigger the workflow. But remember, for this integration to work smoothly, you'll need to connect your Excel account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to do so during the trigger configuration process. Moving on, it's time to set up the action for our workflow. For this demonstration, let's choose Slack as our target application. The action event we want is Send Channel Message. This means that whenever a new row is added to your Excel file, Zapier will automatically send a message to a Slack channel of your choice. It's a fantastic way to keep your team updated without manually typing each message. Just like with Excel, you'll need to connect your Slack account to Zapier. Make sure to have your credentials ready as Zapier will request them to authenticate and establish the connection. Before you wrap things up, testing your Zap is a crucial step. You'll want to ensure that everything is working as expected. Run a few tests to verify that a new row in Excel results in Slack receiving a message in the specified channel. Once you're satisfied with the test results, you can publish your Zap to activate it. And just like that, you've successfully set up an automated workflow using Zapier to connect Excel and Slack. With this Zap in place, you've taken a significant step towards enhanced efficiency and seamless communication across your tools. Thank you for tuning in to PMN Online. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to use Zapier with Excel. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.